Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your strength and dexterity in Gothic 1 Remake. Increasing your strength and dexterity is essential to progressing in Gothic 1. These stats allow you to equip higher tier weapons and gear as you advance through the story. First things first, you need to be in the old camp. Just near the entrance to the castle, you can find Diego standing near the cooking pan or sitting by the house behind us. If you interact with him for the first time, he'll give you a quest that requires you to complete several quests around the old camp before he can vouch for you to enter the castle. After that, if you talk to him again, he'll give you the option to increase your strength or dexterity for either 1 or 5 learning points without spending any ore nuggets. Keep in mind that learning points are a limited resource, so make sure you spend them wisely when upgrading your skills and stats. And that's how to upgrade your strength and dexterity in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.